What's up, what's up, what's up? What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. We about to cook some good food. Oh, so it's your girl Airi, that cute little brown girl. Everybody want a little taste of that. I'm already down in the kitchen. Listen, before we get into the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn the post notification, hit that thumbs up button, comment down below. Team Airi all day, every day. If you didn't know now, you know, big things popping, little things stopping. On the road to 2 million. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you've already been here, welcome. I'm back. So as you can tell by the title, we're doing something a little different. Some easy, nice, good food that I want to make for you guys and for myself for a little treat. So today we are making cherry filled cups. So all you need is a cupcake pan or muffin pan, whatever you want to call this, some pan, and some cherry filling, great value, or you can be bougie. And then of course, you know what I'm saying, don't be bougie with the pie crust, get you some Pillsbury. Okay, and so the first thing you gotta do in the kitchen is cough on your hands, sneeze in your hand, and then make the food and give it to the person you hate. So no, wash your hands first. Okay, and so after your hands are all clean, okay. I already preheated the oven. You want the oven to be to 425, okay? So it should be going off right about now. So now that the oven is preheated, all you want to do is so simple. You're probably like, Airi, why is this so simple to make? And I'm like, I really don't know. Put your gloves up. I'm actually gonna be cooking for myself, and I'm probably gonna take these all to my siblings later on in the day and give it to them because I'm trying not to eat this week. So the pie crust that I got comes with 2 of them, and you have the pan. So the first thing you want to do is, I read that a hack is if you don't have a cutter, you just flip it over and you get the measurements that way, or you can do it this way and just tuck them in there. I don't know. We're gonna figure it out. I just need a knife out of the dishwasher. Boom, boom. So I want everybody to kind of tell, I want to talk to y'all a little bit. So I used to cook a lot for my siblings. Oh my God. I used to cook a lot for my siblings, but like, I had stopped and like I got in a place and I was like, oh my God, I'm gonna cook all the time. And now I'm there and I don't cook all the time. So spray the pan. Butter it down, okay, or it's gonna stick. And then you just kind of want to open this pie crust. I've never made an actual pie. That's one of my goals, that I actually do want to make one. And you kind of open it up like it's a pizzeria, okay? And so I feel like this is not enough. They probably expected smaller cakes. Good thing I bought 2. So I'm gonna put it on top of the thing, just like this. Move this off the way. Okay, boom, boom, boom. Here's that. And then you kind of, I guess it's supposed to just go in there, so I'm gonna just cut it. Hey, you know what I'm saying? This is Airi's cooking. Cooking with Airi, and we're gonna cook my way with Airi. So now that they're cut up in their own little squares, we're gonna make 6 of these. And so you take them and you just push them in there like a little pie. Okay, I kind of see where we're going here. I don't know just yet. Okay. This might, hopefully this is not a fail. I'm actually really looking forward to these being good, so I can tell everybody like, hey, I made pie in the cups, so that way when people invite me over, I can go, well, I can make the pie in the cups. I can do that. So I know you're probably like, why do you have this hat on? Actually, my hair is done, but my lace is on. My lace ain't. So I guess you could say it ain't done. So I'm gonna put some over here. I'm trying to debate, so, ooh, I did kind of good with this one. Oh, you think you're supposed to put it in there with a spoon? Let me try to back this. So that way you don't get the, oh yeah, this one right here. This one over here is the one. This is the one over here. I'm just gonna put these against over there. So this is the inside of what they're looking like, if y'all can see that. Yes, roni. And so I'm thinking, I don't really think I should make 6 because I'm kind of scared of how this is gonna turn out. And so now I'm gonna read the instructions, and they say, let me see. Remove, put it in there, cut out 6. We're gonna make 4 today. We're not gonna make 6, or should we make 6? But then I'm gonna have extra pie crust left over. What do I do with it? So, oh, you're supposed to put it in a spoon. Oh, no. Then it says spoon 1 can of cherry filling inside of the inside. Do we spray with some butter? feel like I can put a little butter in here. We're gonna do it, like I said, we're doing this my way. So we got a little butter in there. Rinse off your tops of any containers, y'all. If y'all did not know that, fun fact about it. Boom, boom. Now open this up, bam, bam. Go ahead and put your filling inside. So I think the way that I had set it up is I had got it specifically for like a small one, but like I really want, oh shoot. I really want to do just 4 big ones. Cause I guess they wanted me to do small ones, but these was on sale. Not the filling, the freaking the container thing. So we're gonna fill these up and then we're gonna pop them in the oven. I'm just gonna put the whole container and evenly spread them out between each little cup, each little pie. So I guess it's gonna be like, oh shoot. I guess these are gonna be like more personal pies. And so I'm actually excited to see how these taste because I like cherry filling pies. I like a lot of pies. A lot of people don't like pie. If you don't like pie, comment down below, ew, pie. And comment down below if you think I should make a different kind of pie. And if I did make a different kind of pie, what kind of pie would you want me to make? Okay, we're just gonna keep putting this in here. Almost at the end. Okay, all right. All right, okay. Hopefully you're supposed to put this much in there, because if not, that sucks. But like I said, we're gonna make this the Airi way, because ain't no other way to make it better than the Airi way. So this is how it's looking now, the before. And now we're gonna go ahead, put it in the oven for 425. And we're gonna let that cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then we're gonna take them out and taste it. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. These are just my baby steps to introducing my little cooking segment that I wanna do. A lot of people have been asking for it, and I said, why not? Why not? But let's go ahead and stay tuned, because then we're gonna be taking it out of the oven. Okay, y'all, so this is what it came out to be. And yes, look at that. Yes, 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 yes. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it. Like, no. The other ones were breaking, so I don't know how to get them out of the pan. But they're all in here, they're already made. But I just wanna try one. And I feel like it's gonna taste good because it was really just cooking kind of the pie crust. I might have did something. Dan, you want me to make this really cool? Yes, mommy. Okay, baby. That's killer right there. But y'all, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, hit that thumbs up button, comment down below. Team Airi all day.